Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you are watching this, chances are you are thinking about building a new PC, or you are looking to give your current rig the ultimate upgrade. And when we talk about ultimate upgrades in the current landscape of PC gaming, one name stands above almost all others: Nvidia's RTX 40 series. But today, we are not just looking at any 40 series card. We are diving deep into what is arguably the most robust, visually striking, and technically impressive version of the RTX 4080 on the market. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our comprehensive review of the ASUS ROG Strix GeForce RTX 4080 OC Edition. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty specs and benchmarks, I want to let you know that if at any point during this video you get that itch to upgrade, I have placed a direct link to this exact card on Amazon right down in the video description. Clicking that link is the best way to check the current pricing, see real-time availability, and read more user reviews. Plus, it really helps support the channel, so we can keep bringing you these deep-dive hardware reviews. All right. Let's talk about power, let's talk about performance, and let's talk about why this card might just be the new heart of your dream PC. To understand why the ASUS ROG Strix RTX 4080 OC Edition is such a big deal, we first have to look at what's powering it. At its core, this card utilizes the Nvidia GeForce RTX 4080 graphics coprocessor, which is built on the revolutionary Ada Lovelace architecture. This architecture brought massive leaps in energy efficiency and raw computational power compared to the previous generation. But ASUS didn't just take the standard chip and leave it at that. As part of the prestigious Republic of Gamers Strix line, and specifically the OC edition, this card comes factory overclocked right out of the box. We are looking at a blazing fast GPU clock speed of 2.66 GHz. Compared to reference models, this factory overclock ensures that you are squeezing every ounce of performance possible out of that silicon without having to mess with voltage curves or risk stability yourself. ASUS has done the heavy lifting for you. Now, let's address one of the most critical aspects of modern gaming, especially as we push into higher resolutions and texture qualities: video memory. This card is equipped with a massive 16 GB of dedicated graphics RAM. And this isn't just standard video memory, it is ultra-fast GDDR6X RAM. The type of RAM matters just as much as the amount, and GDDR6X provides the incredible bandwidth needed to feed the GPU core quickly. With a memory clock speed running at a blistering 4,000 MHz, this card eliminates memory bottlenecks entirely. You might be asking, do I really need 16 GB of VRAM? The answer, if you are playing modern AAA titles at 4K, is a resounding yes. Recent games like Cyberpunk 2077 with path tracing enabled, or heavily modded games can easily exceed 12 GB of VRAM usage. Having that 16 GB cushion means you won't experience stuttering, texture pop-in, or performance degradation caused by running out of memory headroom. You are future-proofing your desktop for the demanding titles of today and tomorrow. So, what does that combination of a 2.66 GHz OC clock speed and 16 GB of GDDR6X actually do for you? It gives you total visual dominance. The ASUS ROG Strix RTX 4080 OC Edition is a 4K gaming monster. You can finally crank every single setting to maximum, including ray tracing, in the most demanding games available, and still enjoy high frame rates. But it doesn't stop there. This graphics card interface supports a maximum display resolution of an astounding 7680 by 4320. That is full 8K resolution. While 8K gaming is still on the horizon for mainstream users, having this capability speaks volumes about the raw power this card possesses. For content creators, this means you can work with high-resolution assets with ease, and for gamers, it means your 4K experience will be incredibly smooth. Furthermore, being part of the RTX 40 series means you get access to Nvidia's most game-changing technology, DLSS 3 with frame generation. This revolutionary AI-powered feature doesn't just upscale images, it uses AI to insert entirely new, high-quality frames into your games. This can effectively double or even triple your frame rate in supported titles, while maintaining image fidelity that is often indistinguishable from native rendering. When you combine the raw horsepower of the Strix 4080 OC with DLSS 3, you are looking at unprecedented performance levels. Of course, all of that raw power generates heat, and that's where the ROG Strix engineering really shines. ASUS has equipped this card with their most advanced cooling solution to date. It is a massive card, and a huge part of that bulk is dedicated to the heatsink. The card features a high-performance 3-fan design. These are upgraded Axial Tech fans that spin on dual ball bearings and are scaled up to deliver 23% more air through the card, keeping it cooler and quieter. The central fan spins in the opposite direction of the two outer fans to minimize turbulence and maximize air dispersion through the heatsink. Underneath those fans is a massive vapor chamber that rapidly dissipates heat from the GPU core and memory components. What's amazing is the acoustics. Even when running that 2.66 GHz clock speed under full gaming load, this card remains incredibly quiet. And when you are just browsing the web, watching videos, or doing light work, the card utilizes 0 decibel technology, meaning the fans shut off completely for silent operation. Thermally, this card is over-engineered in the best possible way. In terms of connectivity, this card has everything you need for modern multi-monitor setups or high refresh rate displays. The video output interface includes multiple DisplayPort 1.4a and HDMI 2.1a. HDMI 2.1a is crucial because it supports uncompressed 4K resolution at 120 or even 144 Hz, which is perfect if you are using a large format OLED gaming monitor or connecting your PC to a modern 4K TV. Regarding compatibility, this is exclusively a desktop graphics card. It utilizes the PCIe Express X16 interface, specifically PCIe 4.0, ensuring massive bandwidth between the GPU and your CPU. Before you buy, there are 2 crucial things to keep in mind. First is physical size. This card is very large, measuring over 3 slots thick and quite long. You must check your PC case dimensions to ensure it will fit. Second is power. To feed this overclocked beast, ASUS recommends a high-quality power supply. Given its power draw, an 850-watt or 1,000-watt PSU would be ideal to ensure system stability, especially if you have a powerful CPU. If you need recommendations for compatible cases or power supplies, I have left links to my top choices in the description as well. So what is the final verdict? The ASUS ROG Strix 4080 OC Edition is not just a graphics card, it is a statement piece. It represents the pinnacle of current GPU engineering. It offers incredible 4K gaming performance, a future-proof 16 GB of VRAM, class-leading cooling technology, and a beautiful design that will be the centerpiece of any desktop build. If you are tired of compromising on graphics settings, if you want to experience the visual fidelity of full ray tracing with smooth frame rates, and if you want a card that will remain relevant for years to come, this is it. Again, you can find the direct link to this exact card on Amazon in the description below to check current pricing and pick one up for yourself. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss another hardware review or PC building guide. Let me know in the comments what you think of this Strix 4080. Is it your dream GPU? Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.